Households cope up by compromising essential expenditure, children's right to education, health, and protection have come under the increasing threat. Despite signs of recovery in some parts of the world, economic recovery will not be soon or strong enough to protect many children and the poor. I'm happy to mention that CI is partnering with government in education, health, social protection, and socio-economic policies. I strongly believe that after 5 years of global financial crisis, the world economy is at a turning point. Growth is picking up in developing countries, and high-income economies appear to be finally turning around in the corner. The January 2014 edition of Global Economic Prospects says developing countries are benefiting from accelerating growth in the high-income countries and continued strong growth in the China and to some extent in India. However, the global economic recovery remains vulnerable to headwinds from rising the global interest rates and potential volatility in the capital inflows. In this context, I think SAM's address would be very important, and we must try to learn how an individual should respond to crisis when it comes to him and transform into success. He talked about the 4 principles: crisis creates opportunity. Certainly, I think when crisis only comes, we all wake up and say what's going to happen and how we're going to address that. Proximity to power, leverage positivity to fuel success, bounce forward and not back. I think here also the innovation plays a very important role in terms of having this in place. And I'm happy to mention that CI is giving a lot of importance of innovation and entrepreneurship at the national and state level, at every local levels that we have in the state of Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra Pradesh, CI in association with Government of Andhra Pradesh is working on established State Innovation Council to strengthen the innovation system in the state. This would also need a strong relationship between the various academic and research institute and the industry. I don't want to be in between Sam and you. I'd like to conclude my opening remarks and special address, saying that it's a great opportunity, and also we had a wonderful year for CI as well as the YI this year, working together in terms of how we can make small-time people to a big-time entrepreneurs in the state, and as well making it a great success for us. With this note, I once again welcome Sam, and I'm sure his lecture will have many things which will be useful for the business and individual persons respective. Thank you very much.